Daily carry tools focus on tackling challenges and addressing situations as they arise. While many appear compact in size, their genuine utility makes them incredibly valuable additions to your everyday carry setup. Therefore, in this presentation, we'll explore 17 of the most impressive EDC devices that justify their purchase price. Surprise! The Claw 2.0 is one of the tiniest multi-tools that you may never use in your entire life. However, though it looks very tiny, don't doubt its capability because this compact multi-tool can be used as a box cutter, bottle opener, and hex driver. Mentioning its durability, this multi-tool is made of high-quality material to tolerate extreme pressure flawlessly. Have you ever seen a knife that is smaller than a candy? The B2 Nano is the world's smallest knife that one can use in daily life. This knife might look very tiny, but it could do many things like a big knife. This miniature knife is integrated with 440C heat-treated black stainless steel that can cut packages, paracords, wood, and leather effortlessly. Plus, it can be used as a fire starter in a survival situation. No need to carry a bulky flashlight anymore. The T-Tweezers is a compact flashlight that can be mounted with the keyring and is always ready to shine. However, don't underestimate its power. It can deliver reliable lighting solutions like bulky ones. Along with a flashlight, it has a tweezer ready to help as a first aid and grooming kit. Both of them are super durable that won't break after going through intense pressure. What can a conventional pen do? Only right? Well, with the T-Mation pen, one can do many things. Wondering how? It has an integrated light that shows the path in the darkest condition. Not just that, it comes with a pill compartment where the patient can carry their medicine and have them in an emergency. And surprisingly, it can be mounted on the chain and fit into your pocket. How about if you could wear a series of multi-tools as a locket or bracelet? The Grimm EDC Micro Tool System makes this possible. It has 21 different sizes of essential tools, which is the same size as a large zipper pull. As it's handy, it may come with a slight confusion about durability, but don't worry, it is made of high-quality stainless steel that's built to last. It's impossible to complete the EDC list without putting the name Dango, a 10-adapt wallet. It is one of the most innovative and coolest wallets in the Dango lineup. This wallet has multiple compartments where one can put multiple credit cards, ID cards, and obviously money as well. Besides, it has a separate compartment for a diary and pen to take daily notes. Thanks to the RFID plate technology, credit and debit card information are now entirely secured inside it from unauthorized access. With the style, design, and performance, the Storm 2 Slim is an innovative power bank that blows your mind with its remarkable features. This power bank has 130 watts PD fast charging capability, ensuring a faster charge more safely. When no power station is available, it can juice up with the solar panel on the go. Organizing lots of keys is very annoying. Don't worry. The Micro is one of the smallest key organizers that fulfill all essential carrying needs. Surprisingly, it is so compact that it can easily adjust to the fingertip. Besides, this key organizer can hold 2 to 10 keys easily and give the release from carrying bulky key rings. At its first glance, the Bit Vault may look like a simple keychain capsule, but it's more than that. This portable case can carry hex bits, pills, mints, toothpaste, and phone adapter inside its sleek design. Not just that, it has an integrated screwdriver that is needed in the regular activity. Plus, in the darkest condition, it can work as a flashlight. The most beneficial point is that if it drops from the hand, don't worry, it won't break down too easily. The EDC Bam Pam may look like an ordinary pen, but don't go with its looks. It's a multi-functional bamboo pen that needs in your daily life. Its magnetic cap looks very glossy and stylish. Surprisingly, this pen has a window breaker that is required in an emergency situation. Not finished yet, It has an integrated graver knife in its other compartment to help in DIY projects. From cleaning the most challenging corner of your device to tightening the smallest screw, the X-Craft can do everything according to one specific requirement. This pin-sized device can drill small holes more accurately where big drills never reach. With the integrated polisher, it can polish even the toughest corner of the phone, laptop, and other small accessories. Want to tighten the screw on your multiple devices? Don't worry, the X-Craft is here with 23 multiple screwdriver bits to firmly tighten every type of screw. The Survival Belt 2.0 can do many things that you have never imagined. This stunning belt has a fire starter, knife, flashlight, bottle opener, and many more inside its sleek design. Amazing, right? Furthermore, it is rugged enough to handle even the most challenging conditions. In short, this belt will surely draw the attention of outdoor enthusiasts. It seems like a bullet, doesn't it? Well, it's a flashlight. The Hunt 3.0 is one of the smallest multi-functional flashlights that can do many things beyond imagination. Along with the average LED light, it has 3 more color options where red light is used for a survival situation and the UV light helps to verify currency and ID accurately. In addition, it has a mini pry bar which is used for cutting boxes and tightening the screws. Want to keep private and expensive essentials safe? Then bring the Travago for ultimate protection. This compact safe keeps personal necessities from unauthorized access. The notable thing is that it will only open through the fingerprint, which is connected to your phone. Plus, it allows its users to carry it anywhere they go. Can you imagine a pen is smaller than a folded note? The Tip-In 3.0 adjunctly looks like that. Sounds interesting, right? Surprisingly, this pen is even smaller than your finger. The unique thing about this pen is it does not restrict itself to writing only. It can work as a packet cutter, window breaker, and bottle opener. Besides, its stylish and compact design allows it to be mounted on your chain, bag, and key rings. On top of that, this pen is made from silicon carbide, ensuring its long lifespan. Want to have a compact flashlight that can attach almost anywhere? The Y-Smart 2.0 is an extremely convenient, easy, fast way to use when you need light in a big hurry. No need to hold the flashlight for long during the important mechanical task. Its magnetic base allows it to mount anywhere. The fun fact is that in its compact form factor, it will provide an excellent lighting solution in the darkest condition. Humans, even some animals, have self-healing characteristics, but the Wolverine Pack is a utility bag with self-healing characteristics. Wondering how? Well, it's the fabric. It won't damage after minor cuts or punctures. Hence, this bag is entirely different from others, reducing overall weight and creating a seamless experience. Surprisingly, this water-resistant bag can submerge 10 under meters of water while keeping essentials protected. So that was all about the 17 coolest EDC gadgets that are worth buying.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.